Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show on how you can easily private your Facebook account. So let's begin. The very first thing we need to do is to open up Facebook app. If you want to limit your access to your account to strangers and make it accessible only to friends, you can simply lock your profile. Hit menu and go to settings and search profile locking. Then tap profile locking. And that's it. You can now lock your profile. Once it was locked, only your friends will be able to see your photos and stories. However, people will still be able to search you and send you a friend request. If you also wanted to control your privacy setting in more detail, then you should go to menu again and settings, then search for posts. And you can change here some specific privacy settings, like who can see your future posts. You can tap on this and you can see here options. Change it to friends or friends exempt. Also, you can limit who can see your past posts. So that's it. Hope this video helps and see you on the next one.